day to you, lovely children. How are you today? Wow, it's nice having you one more time on Divine Offspring International School virtual classroom on mathematics. And today, for grade 4 class, we'll be having multiplication of weight. Multiplication of weight. I need you to take note of these words: gram, weight, milligram, kilogram, multiplication. But before we proceed, I need you to have these materials handy before we continue. You need a book, a pen, and your brain. You need to be mentally alert while we proceed in this topic. A quick quiz for you now. A bag of rice weighs 45 kilograms, 234 grams, and a drum weighs 52 kilograms, 212 grams. Find the total weight of the two items. You can actually pause this video to quickly do that assessment, then check your answer as we continue. Okay, now the first thing to do is write your units, which is kilograms and grams. 45 kilograms, 234 grams, then 52 kilograms, 212 grams. Don't forget, we are adding them together. Always start from the right hand side. You know, whenever we want to add, we always start from the right hand side. So 4 plus 2 gives 6. 3 plus 1 gives 4. 2 plus 2 gives 4. 5 plus 2 gives 7. Then 4 plus 5 gives 9. So altogether we have 97 kilograms for 146 grams altogether. Wow, I hope you got that. I'm sure you do. If you did, let's continue. Now, multiplication of weight. Multiplication of weight is quite easy once you know the metric weight table. Now, don't forget our metric weight table. You remember when we did the steps to metric units? So we have 10 milligrams equals 1 centigram. 100 centigrams make 1 gram. 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. Now this is just a few of what we have in our unit. Now let's try and solve some of these examples. The first one we have here is 3 centigrams 4 milligrams times 4. We're trying to multiply 3 centigrams 4 milligrams by 4. Now the first thing you need to do is, don't forget we're using 4 to multiply this 4 here and this 3 here. We do it the normal way we do our multiplication of whole numbers. Now, what is 4 times 4? 4 times 4 gives 16. So we write 6 and carry 1. Now the next thing to do, 4 times 3 gives what? 12. Wow. Then plus 1 gives you 13. We are done. So you write all the 13 down. Let's go to the next example quickly. 8 grams, 52 centigrams, 7 milligrams. And we're trying to multiply it by 2. We still do it the same way. 2 times 7 gives 14. So we write 4 and carry 1. We carry the 1 to the other side. Now the next thing to do is 2 times 2. What is 2 times 2? 4. Then you add 1. 4 plus 1 gives us 5. Then 2 times gives gives 10. So what do we write? We write our 0 and carry 1. We will carry the 1 over to the other side. Now 8 times 2 gives us what? 16. Don't forget, we'll add this 1 to 16 to get 17. Well, let's move to other examples quickly. Kilograms and grams. We're trying to multiply 13 kilograms for 124 grams by 5. Let's multiply them by 5 now. So we have 5 times 4 gives what? 5 times 4 gives 20. So we write 0 and carry 2. Very good. 5 times 2 gives you what? 10 plus 2, 12. Wow. So we write 2 and carry 1. Now 5 times 4, what does it give us? 20. Then plus 1, 21. Don't forget, you write only the 1 down here. Only the 1. And then we'll carry 2 to the other side. Very good. Now 5 times 3, what does it give us? 5 times 3 gives 15. Very good. Very good. 15 plus 2, what would that give us? 17. So we write 7 and carry 1. Now the last number there is 1. 5 times 1 gives 5. Then you add the 1 to 5, which gives you what? 6. Wow. Now the next example, 4 times 8. What does that give us? 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is 32. So we write the 2. We write the 2 and carry 3. So 4 times 4 gives 16. Then 16 plus 3, what would that give us? 19. So we write 9 and carry 1. Now 4 times 3. 4 times 3 gives 12 plus 1, 13. We write the 3 and carry 1. Don't forget, we must always carry the remaining 1 to the other side. Now 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is what? 32. 32 plus 1 gives us 33. So we write the 3 and carry 3. Now 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus these 3 we carried. Don't always forget your carrying numbers. 8 plus 3 gives 11. So we write 1 and carry 1. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 1, 21. Wow. So we carry the 2 to the other side, on the kilograms side. Now 4 times 2 gives 4 times 2. What does it give us? 8. Then we add 2, which makes 10. Wow, that's really lovely. I hope you can answer some questions under this multiplication of numbers. Thank you so much for watching. Attempt all the questions sent to your classwork and submit on the portal. Thank you so much for watching. Nice to have you one more time. Bye.